How to create or open Citibank online banking account. So here is a comprehensive guide on how to create and use Citibank online. So let's get started. First of all, you must know the requirements before you start. A registered mobile phone numbers for receiving OTPs and a Citi account. Then navigate to the Citibank official website, citibank.com. Also, make sure that you visit your country specific city homepage. There are various branches of Citibank available. Then, what you have to do is once you're inside the website, you will get to see the login option pop up, user ID and password. If you already have an account, then all you have to do is type down your user ID and password and tap on the login button available there. Or if you do not have an account, then you can also see activate/register option available at the left hand side of that box. Tap on the activate/register and navigate to the page where you can create your Citibank online account. Now all you have to do is enter your card number, credit card or debit card, or you can also choose one of them, bank account, or enter the phone number that is linked with your Citibank and continue. Then a verification will be sent and enter the OTP and continue. Then all you have to do is choose a user ID and password following the Citi's rules and accept terms and conditions, and registration will be completed. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.